Did you know that over 70% of employees feel financial stress? This isn't just a personal issue. It's impacting workplace productivity and overall morale. I'm Richard. I've been in the financial services industry for over a decade, and I'm your guide to navigate it. In this video, we're going to tackle a critical issue affecting workplaces everywhere: employee debt. There's good news. Human resources can play a transformative role in solving this problem. Let's talk about the hidden cost of financial stress in the workplace. Employees under financial strain are 5 times more likely to miss work, 2 times as likely to actively look for a new job, and more likely to lose focus, making errors and missing deadlines. This results in billions of dollars in lost productivity each year, not to mention the toll it takes on workplace morale. Now, you might be wondering, why is this an HR issue? Here's why: employee well-being isn't just about physical health. Financial wellness is a critical part of the equation. When HR supports employees with financial resources, it reduces turnover rates, boosts engagement and morale. One of the most effective solutions HR can implement is financial wellness workshops. So what do these workshops include? They include budget strategies to help employees stretch their paychecks, debt management, tools to reduce financial burdens, investment and retirement planning for long-term security. Not only do these workshops empower employees with practical tools, but they also show that your organization truly cares about their well-being. These are real, tangible benefits for both employees and employers. So let's recap what we covered. Employee debt negatively impacts productivity, morale, and retention. The Human Resources Department plays a pivotal role in addressing financial wellness. Financial wellness workshops provide employees with tools to succeed while boosting company performance. So, what's next? It's time to act. If you're a human resources professional, start exploring ways to bring financial wellness workshops into your organization. You'll transform lives and see the results in your workplace. Now, I know you got some value out of this. To improve your finances further, come check out my other videos.